I remember ruining a beautiful brisket last summer. The temperature spiked wildly, then abruptly crashed, leaving me with tough, acrid meat, all because I grabbed a random bag of cheap charcoal at the gas station. Finding the right fuel is an absolute nightmare, with so many brands claiming to be the premium choice. Today, I am ranking the top 7 charcoals for your smoker to save you from ruining your next barbecue. Stick around to see which one delivers the absolute perfect, long-lasting burn that will transform your next smoke. Seven, Masterbuilt Premium Hardwood. When I first loaded this into my Gravity Series smoker, I had really high hopes because it is explicitly branded to work seamlessly with their own hardware. The first thing I noticed when pouring it out was the actual composition of the wood. It features a blend of hardwood that does impart a fairly decent, traditional smoky flavor to poultry and pork, which is always the baseline I look for when firing up a weekend cook. However, the physical consistency of the charcoal in the bag left a lot to be desired during my testing. As I dug past the top layer, I found a significant amount of small chips and an overwhelming volume of charcoal dust resting at the bottom. This immediately caused airflow issues in my grate, as the dust tends to clog up the gaps and suffocate the fire before it can really get going. You end up having to sift through it just to find usable pieces. Another major thing I noticed was how rapidly this charcoal burns up. If you're doing a hot and fast cook, it might serve you fine, but for a low and slow smoking session, I found myself needing to replenish the hopper far more frequently than I do with other brands. The temperature stability was quite erratic, constantly requiring me to adjust my vents to keep the heat from plummeting when a pocket of smaller chips burned out unexpectedly. While the flavor profile is acceptable for a quick afternoon cookout, the overall user experience is just too frustrating for serious smoking. Between the excessive dust, the small, brittle pieces, and the sheer speed at which it turns to ash, I cannot rely on this for an overnight brisket or pork shoulder. 6. Kingsford Original Charcoal Briquettes. There's a sense of nostalgia when you open a bag of Kingsford, and I have spent countless hours testing these in various drum smokers and kettle setups. The most significant advantage of this product is its absolute uniformity. Every single briquette is exactly the same size and shape, which technically allows you to calculate your heat and arrange a snake method with mathematical precision. When you light these up, they catch fire remarkably fast thanks to the signature grooves molded into each briquette. These grooves increase the surface area, letting the air flow through and ignite the edges rapidly. Within 15 minutes, you're usually looking at a bed of glowing coals ready to accept your meat. For a quick evening smoke or reverse sear, this level of predictability and ease of lighting is definitely something I appreciate after a long day. But this is where my critical testing really exposed some serious drawbacks for dedicated smoking. When you first ignite these briquettes, there's a very distinct, harsh chemical odor that billows out with the thick white smoke. You absolutely must wait until they are completely covered in gray ash before putting your food anywhere near the grate. Otherwise, that chemical taste will embed itself deeply into your food. This waiting period is frustrating when you're trying to get a long smoke started early in the morning. Furthermore, the sheer volume of ash these briquettes produce is staggering. During an 8-hour pork butt smoke, I found that the massive ash accumulation began choking out the fire from below. If your smoker does not have a high-capacity ash pan, you will be forced to disrupt your cook to clear it out. 5. Kamado Joe Big Block XL. When I first hauled this heavy bag out to my patio and ripped it open, I was genuinely shocked by the sheer size of the charcoal pieces inside. We're talking about massive, forearm-sized chunks of dense hardwood. This is a massive step up from the brittle chips and dust I dealt with in the lower-ranked options, immediately setting a premium tone for the entire smoking experience. The hardwood blend used here is sourced from Argentina, featuring dense woods that are specifically chosen for their smoking capabilities. When I tested this on a massive rack of beef ribs, the flavor profile it delivered was absolutely spectacular. It produces a very clean, subtly sweet, and robust smoke that enhances the meat without ever becoming bitter or overpowering. The aroma alone when this charcoal catches fire is enough to make your mouth water, giving you that authentic barbecue house experience right in your backyard. What impressed me the most during my testing was the incredible burn time. Because these blocks are so massive and incredibly dense, they burn exceptionally slow and maintain a rock-solid temperature for hours on end. I loaded up my ceramic smoker at 8 in the morning, and by midnight, the core of the fire was still glowing hot and steady. It allows you to step away and actually sleep during long overnight cooks without the constant paranoia of your fire dying out. Additionally, it is surprisingly reusable. After completing a long smoke, I simply shut down the vents to choke out the fire. The next day, I found that the large chunks were still mostly intact, ready to be lit again for another session. This reusability makes the higher price tag much more palatable. It leaves behind very minimal ash. Four, Royal Oak Lump Charcoal. Whenever I need a reliable, widely available fuel source that I know will perform consistently well, this is often what I grab. It is made from American hardwoods, primarily oak, hickory, and maple, which gives it a deeply traditional and nostalgic barbecue scent that immediately fills the neighborhood the moment it hits the fire. During my hands-on testing, I found that this charcoal hits the sweet spot for a wide variety of smoking tasks. The bag contains a very reasonable mix of medium to large lumps, with far less dust than the budget brands. This sizing consistency means that you can easily arrange it in a charcoal basket for a minion method setup without worrying about tiny fragments choking out the bottom draft. It ignites quite easily with just a couple of tumbleweed fire starters. The heat output is simply phenomenal. While I need to push the temperature up for smoking chicken to get perfectly crisp skin, Royal Oak responds beautifully to open vents, roaring to life and producing clean, blue smoke almost immediately. Conversely, when I choke the oxygen down to hold a steady 225 degrees for a brisket, it settles in nicely and behaves exactly as you want it to. It is incredibly responsive to airflow adjustments. The flavor it imparts is distinctly bold and woodsy, leaning heavily into that classic hickory punch. It perfectly complements heavy cuts of beef and thick pork shoulders that can stand up to a strong smoke profile. While it might not have the massive forearm-sized blocks of the Kamado Joe, it delivers an incredibly dependable, clean burn that rarely spits or sparks. It is an absolute staple in my shed because it just flat out works every single time. 3. Kamado Joe KJ-CHAR. While I already praised their big block line, this specific iteration took my testing experience to a completely different level of refinement. When I poured this into my grill, the first thing that struck me was the meticulous quality control. Almost every single piece in the bag was a perfectly usable, medium to large chunk, completely devoid of rocks, scrap wood, or frustrating filler material. This purity translates directly into the way it burns. Lighting the KJ-CHAR is a beautifully smooth process. It catches quickly, but without the aggressive sparking and popping that you sometimes get with inferior lump charcoals. Within 20 minutes, the initial white smoke clears out entirely, leaving behind a practically invisible, sweet blue smoke that is the absolute holy grail for any pitmaster. The aroma is delicate, clean, and perfectly suited for creating an incredible crust. I specifically tested this with several racks of St. Louis spare ribs and a delicate side of salmon, wanting to see if it would overpower the lighter proteins. The result was genuinely masterful. The KJ-CHAR imparts a very smooth, nuanced smoke ring and flavor that elevates the natural taste of the meat rather than masking it behind a heavy, acrid cloud. It burns incredibly clean, meaning your food never takes on that bitter creosote aftertaste. The structural integrity of this charcoal as it burns is also deeply impressive. It holds its shape for hours, slowly shrinking down rather than collapsing into a pile of suffocating ash. This ensures that the oxygen continues to flow freely through the charcoal bed for the entire duration of the smoke. I found it to be exceptionally efficient, burning slow and hot, and leaving behind a remarkably small amount of waste in the ash pan at the end of the day. 2. FOGO Super Premium. I have to admit, the reputation of this charcoal precedes it, and my extensive testing proved that the hype is absolutely justified. This charcoal is made from dense Central American hardwoods, and the sorting process must be incredibly strict because the bag is loaded with genuinely massive, hand-selected chunks that look like actual logs of wood. The sheer size and density of the FOGO Super Premium make it an absolute champion for marathon smoking sessions. I loaded a heavy batch of this into my offset smoker for a massive 15-hour packer brisket cook. The thermal mass of these giant pieces is astounding. Once they're fully lit and established, they radiate a deep, incredibly stable heat that barely fluctuates. I found myself making fewer vent adjustments than ever before, trusting the coal bed to just do its job. What makes FOGO truly stand out is the exquisite flavor profile. It is wonderfully mild and mellow, providing a pure, authentic wood-fired taste that is never overly aggressive. It is incredibly versatile, working just as beautifully on a delicate Thanksgiving turkey as it does on a massive, heavy beef roast. The smoke it produces is so clean and pure that you can confidently put your meat on the grates much sooner than you would with heavily processed alternatives. Another massive benefit I discovered during my long cooks is the near-total lack of sparking and ash production. When you're working close to the firebox, you do not have to worry about hot embers jumping out at you. Furthermore, after burning for over a dozen hours, the amount of ash left behind was so minimal it was almost shocking. FOGO Super Premium delivers a flawless, high-efficiency burn that makes fire management an absolute breeze. 1. Jealous Devil Chunx XL. When I first tested this charcoal, it fundamentally changed my expectations of what smoking fuel should be. Crafted purely from South American Quebracho Blanco, which literally translates to axe breaker, wood, this charcoal is incredibly dense. Opening the bag feels like unpacking premium artisan goods. There's zero dust, zero scrap, and absolutely zero compromises in the size and quality of the massive chunks. The performance of the Jealous Devil is nothing short of legendary. During my most rigorous testing, I pushed this charcoal to its absolute limits with an overnight, 18-hour whole hog smoke. The burn time is genuinely staggering. It burns significantly hotter and exponentially longer than anything else I have ever put in my firebox. The dense cell structure of the Quebracho would mean it releases energy at a highly controlled, incredibly slow rate, providing flawless temperature stability. The flavor is exactly what barbecue dreams are made of. It burns so incredibly clean that there is virtually zero harsh smoke during the ignition phase. The flavor it imparts is deeply rich, smooth, and incredibly distinct without ever overshadowing your expensive rubs and marinades. It provides a beautiful, dark mahogany bark on briskets and pork butts, enhancing the presentation and the taste simultaneously. It is pure, unadulterated wood-fired perfection. Perhaps the most astonishing aspect of the Jealous Devil Chunx XL is its physical behavior while burning. It produces virtually zero sparks, no popping, and leaves behind a shockingly small amount of white ash. You can burn through a massive pile of this charcoal and only have a handful of ash to sweep out the next morning. For its unmatched burn time, pristine flavor profile, and flawless consistency, Jealous Devil Chunx XL is simply the greatest charcoal you can buy for your smoker right now.